Welcome back, adventurers. Being that I got to sleep in an actual bed and get rid of about 75 pounds of stuff on the bike, it's time to join up with my friends in Boulder and ride back on out to 68J again. We start by following our usual suspects, Ryan and Steve, and the plan is to hit up 68J, head over to Bunce Road, and then wrap it up with a little Switzerland Trail action. But I gotta say, the clouds look mighty gray. Anyway, we'll get to the Moscow Moto rack pullover review in just a bit. Time for me to go on mute for a little 700 ASMR action.
Steve giving me footage again. You were pretty close to the left edge there, buddy. Deeper than it looked. I pulled the Steve, went right through it, and it was deep. Oh, yep. And I even put him up by my fender.
Alright, I may understand now why Steve loves going through the middle of puddles, even if he's unsure on how deep they really are, nor if his feet get wet. It's about an hour into the ride now, and here's Nikos with the weather report.
Here comes the rain again.
We've survived our pavement time and have arrived at a rainy Bunce School road.
At least these rocks are wet. That would have sucked. Well, this looks like Suxton right here. Yeah. Some proper rain now. Oh, there's a big rock in there. Get some of that good rain practice in today.
I have to give a huge shout out to the Moscow Moto rack pullover system. From not a single drop of water getting through either of the wrist openings, nor down my neck hole, and it fit over the top of my Liet body armor and neck brace just perfectly. So, huge shout out to this. If you were looking for some rain gear that actually keeps your ass dry, this stuff. On with the show. back on the road and headed for the final trail of the day, Switzerland Trail. Now, I've done this trail before, but this is going the opposite direction of the direction that I went. Not really sure which is which, but this is the different direction.
Okay. Oh, I chose poorly. Oh, I chose so fucking poorly. Everything's fine. Okay. Thanks for moving that rock over, Steve. I think I shit my pants a little. Good shit right there. Oh, no problem. Is that the way we're going?
I don't know, you said no problem. I was just observing you.
Steve's doing Tokyo Drift. Oh, you're on a big rock. Yeah. Yep.
Is this the dry one?
There we go. Woo! Yeah, we're alright. Nothing? Not a thing. Nothing happened.
Yeah.
Ryan had unfortunately had an unexpected departure from his motorcycle. Luckily he was okay. Unfortunately his motorcycle less than. He'd cracked part of his engine bits and has made me now a strong believer in the 2-part epoxy putty tube. This would pretty much bring a close to that Saturday's adventure. Just another beautiful day on the bike with fantastic people. Stay tuned, as the next fantastic idea I had was to take on the Sandwash Enduro. Here's kind of how that went. Test 1. This, however, sums up Test 2. Thank you, Nate, for being a good friend to do dumb shit with.
So, my bike appears to be a little bit easier to get up this step. Apparently Joe's bike skid plate does not want to cooperate with us, so it's laying on its side. It's a big old step right there.
It's a fucking huge step. Step my ass.
He's tried going up there, and 2 other places over there. I think he's dropped it, 5 times? Just trying to get over this thing?
Way too many
Yes,
times.
way too many times. Just trying to get up this one ledge here, and yeah, we finally just dragged mine up. Apparently mine just jumped up just a little bit further than his did, so made it easier. Just taking a break, you know, catching our breath at about, what is it, 8,000 feet, 7,000 feet, somewhere in there. Something
stupid.
Yeah, and it's hot out.